What up, babies? I'm back again. I am back once again with another lit video slash candle review. Yeah, it's a really small haul, and I'm going to choose. Well, no, there's no choosing because you already reviewed one of them. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to review one of the candles. One is a repurchase and one is a brand new. So before we get into it, come on, somebody. Come on. Y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff, but only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House gang. All right, so, all right. Actually, I'm going to do the new one last. Ooh. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. I had to get another one in the new packaging of the coconut colada. Period. It smells so freaking good. I'm so glad I got another one. I don't know, I might get another one. Is it $10.95 yet? Okay, y'all. So the next one is the new one. Yeah, I got it. Bahama Fizz. Oh, shit, that's weird, but I like it. Oh, shit, I like this one, y'all. Oh, I'm going to have to put a couple more in my cart. I like it. Does it throw? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Whew. Okay, so we got, it's a banana, but talk on the streets and these candle streets is that ain't no banana up in here, but I kind of smell like a banana now and later. Promise you. Oh, this smells good though. Oh shit, I might have to get it without finishing it. Shay, you'll be all right. Shut up. Just get about there. Ooh, but it's the packaging is we got light blue, wax. Now this is the kind of label that they should have when it's colored wax, because then the gradient will show through. Y'all don't probably know what I'm talking about. This review right here. Okay. Yeah, it was dumb. Anyway. Ooh, I like the way this smells, y'all. So we got 3 wicks with chicken leg. Ooh. Yeah. Damn, look. That chicken was sick. Give that chicken some protein. Stupid. All right, y'all. The notes say fresh kiwi slices. Yeah. Smell it. Islands pineapple. Yeah. Coconut water. Splash of rum. No wonder I like this shit. It's rum in this motherfucker. No wonder. Y'all know I love me some rum with natural essential oils. All right, I'm excited to burn this one, y'all. And it just has the basic top. No need to show it. I like it. All right, so I'm ready. So I'm going to trim light and get this puppy started, and I will be back. I'm doing my part. You do yours. Yo, come on back. Stay tuned. My name is Shantina, but they call me Shay, cause I'm the best MC around this way. The others try hard, but they can't compete because my rhymes are vicious and my voice is sweet. A few years ago, I woke up in a daze, got on the scale and was... So Bahama Fizz, y'all, is throwing for me like a 7.5. It's decent. It pulled right away. Medium to... No, high flame. It's mushrooming, y'all, but there's no soot, there's no smoke. Yeah, the flames are pretty high. So it's not gonna last for too many burns. It smells real good too. It does smell real good. And it's pretty. It's pretty. Look at that. Look. It's gorgeous. Now there's a review. There's a review. I'm not gonna say it. I just want y'all go on Bath and Body Works and read the review. That's all I'm gonna say. Because now I can't unsee it. I freaking can't unsee it. Anywho, it smells good. Let's do a depiction, okay? Okay, so fresh kiwi slices. I don't think I know what kiwi really smell like per se. But I'm going to say okay. Be honest. Island pineapple, yes. Coconut water, yes. I'm going to say I smell kiwi because it's a little different than just pineapple and coconut water, right? And there's a splash of rum. Yeah. With natural essential oils. I would drink this. I would blend this with some ice and fuck it up. I would. I smell like a hint of the rum. I like it, y'all. I like this candle. But is she a repurchase? She's a 2 and done. So I'm going to get one more for the one time, for the culture. But that's it. Yeah, it smells good though. But that's it. Because this ain't coming back. And I don't need more than another one. What? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's good though. It's good. They did their thing. They did their thing with this one. It's good. Because you would think you've smelled it before, but no. It's good. It's good. It's different. I like it. So, that's it. That's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you, babies, later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.